So day one, we out at the SABC studios. We're recording Iinkonjane zooFaku on their debut project. We're recording their first single.
Ndiva kamandi ndizaliseka izithembiso endandizenza newele lam lisaphila. Bangenye imini make sirekhodishe siziinkonjane zooFaku ngoba nee-fans zethu ziba nento ethi kanike nide nirelease man. Lada lafikelela lo xesha.
Kumnandi ukubona that now it's becoming a reality. After such a long time ithethwa icingwa but ungaziwa which direction to take.
Yeah, I think we're all excited ngalena i-project. Njengokubana sonke we were planning but we never knew into yokubana iyawuze ifezakala.
But we're excited to see what the delivery is going to come out as. We're excited to see the end product. It's already sounding great. We've been in studio for like a couple of hours now.
And so far in the scenes leyo sound akamandi isinika ithemba and confidence into yobana izaba yimpumelelo.
So some of us ke besingena confidence ngathi, but now that we are here we believe in ourselves, we believe in yobana Iinkonjane zooFaku is actually gonna go far.
I hope the fans abalandeli everyone will also love it. Ukuphakamisa izinga ne traditions ne customs zabantu abamnyama.